Millennials. We're always getting a bad rep for wasting our money, spending it on clothes, buying weird stuff, jewelry, fashion, going out to the movies, not investing, and quote unquote being soft as per the boomers say. But right now, it's a buying opportunity for a lifetime in the stock market. And today, your boy Ishan is going to tell you the top 3 stocks that us millennials should be buying. Because guess what? It's a buying opportunity for a lifetime. And we're not going to miss out. And we're going to show those boomers that yeah, we can make fast stacks and use our money wisely. So always before you buy stocks, you gotta think about what are the companies? Do you use them regularly? Do you know about them? Who is the management of the team? Companies with strong balance sheets, making a lot of money, great brand presence, online, trust. These kind of things are huge factors when it comes to picking a stock. So stock number 1 is Apple. That's right guys, Apple Technologies. I don't know about you guys, but everywhere in school, everywhere I go, everyone has an Apple iPhone. iPhone is at the top of the game and there's no competition, especially in the US. Huawei, there's no way brands like Huawei can make a dent in the US. First of all, they're banned, and second of all, the government hates them, so they're never going to enter the market. Apple's got the greatest brand presence. If you look at our boys like Marques Brownlee, Unbox Therapy, Apple is always benefiting from these guys making videos about them. Every time Apple drops a new product, it's #1 trending on YouTube. Time and time again, Apple has somehow proved us wrong by innovating. They started it off with the notch on the phone. They were one of the very first manufacturers to do that. Start off with the notch. Next thing you know, their iPads are at the top of the game. Right now, Apple's tablets outperform any other tablet in the game. The iPad is on track for its best record this year. Well, I mean, now that we have the you-know-what, chances are not. Not to mention, their new iPad came out with some revolutionary new features in their cameras and their operating system. So Apple's always innovating and keeping at the top of the game. And I can't talk about Apple stock without mentioning AirPods. That's right, boys and girls, AirPods. You see them everywhere. Everyone's always got these toothpicks in their ears. Apple has alone made over $10 billion from AirPods alone since its release, and it's absolutely mad. So if you want to pick a stock, pick Apple. Apple stock is down close to 30% already, and if it falls lower, I believe strongly in the 240 range, it's definitely a buy for me. And yeah, I'm not going to deny that Apple's business is definitely going to be impacted by the you-know-what. I don't want to say it, man. They're not going to show my YouTube video. I have sold less subs, so please subscribe. While their business and manufacturing will be hurt, because right now people are losing their jobs. They ain't trying to buy $1,000 phones. Apple's business is going to take a huge hit. But I believe if it continues to drift lower to the 240, low 200 range, I believe that's about pricing in already and low enough to be buying it. Because it's already trading at quite a low PE ratio, not to mention it's got a solid dividend yield. And if you see a speedy recovery in the economy in the next few months, I believe Apple's business will also come back stronger than ever. The next stock I want to talk about is Tesla stock. That's right, Tesla stock, the one and only Elon Musk, the legend himself. Yeah, while Tesla has been under a shoot of controversy for years, Elon Musk has really changed up his game. He's come back stronger than ever, and he's released some killer vehicles coming out soon, such as the Cybertruck. That thing bad, that's a bad one. Let's face it, Elon Musk is the face of Tesla. He's a meme, he's everywhere, and everyone respects him. Shout out Team Trees when he donated over $1 million. As long as Elon Musk continues to stay at Tesla, which he most likely will, I could see Tesla's growth increasing exponentially. In fact, despite the you-know-what, Tesla beat their delivery numbers last month, which really shows that there's still demand for Tesla. And I'm not going to deny again that yeah, Tesla is going to lose out on a bunch of customers, but management has clearly said that they will easily beat the 500,000 vehicles delivered this year, which is honestly a great sign, not to mention the Shanghai factory up and running in under 6 months. That's absolutely mad. They got their next gigafactory coming up in Germany with that crisp German engineering. Tesla is at the top of the EV game. In fact, they accounted for I think close to 70% of EV sales in North America alone. So you can really tell there how dominant Tesla is in the game. It's absolutely mad to think that they're valued more than GM and Ford combined. So Tesla really is at the top of the game. There's very minimum competition right now. And even if people come out, I believe that Tesla has created such a dominant path, not to mention their road to self-driving, which will change the game for years to come. If you haven't already, check out my video where I talk about how Tesla could easily be worth $1 trillion in the next decade below. Check it out. As for what price range to buy Tesla in, it's obviously all up to you, but it's myself personally looking at the charts. I believe that if you can get it anywhere under $500, it's a steal. It's an absolute steal. Under $500, if you can buy Tesla, it's a solid buy. Obviously, check out the market conditions. If it's like some really negative news coming out, you probably don't want to touch it. But under $500, that's personally where I would be looking to buy it. And the last stock I'm looking to buy is Disney stock. That's right, Disney behind the Marvel movies, Spider-Man movies. Disney is at the top of the entertainment industry. As for Disney Plus, like I mentioned in my previous video, if you haven't already, check it out. Disney has passed 50 million subscribers in under 6 months, which is absolutely crazy. They're basically 1/4 of the way to how many subscribers Netflix has in 5 months. Currently, obviously, Disney is hit by the you-know-what again, but that is tough. And if we find the cure and the economy starts reopening up, obviously Disney will continue to see a hit in customers coming to their parks for, I believe, at least the next couple years. But I strongly believe, since they have a very strong balance sheet, great management team, and Bob Iger and their new CEO, I believe Disney will continue to be a strong force in the entertainment industry. Their movies can't compare. Everyone's gonna watch the Marvel movies no matter what. Disney Plus has been rocking. They had The Mandalorian, more Marvel shows to come out soon. Disney has been killing it. They got a solid dividend yield. For all of you millennials out there who don't know what a dividend yield is, it's basically to give you a certain amount back and you basically get free money just like that, just for owning the shares. It's like an incentive to buy the shares. Disney stock is currently down over 30%, but if you see a recovery in the you-know-what, I definitely see a strong recovery in the stock. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe. New banger content coming out soon. Make sure you like, subscribe, support your fellow millennial, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Peace.